I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do color isolation in CapCut PC. So to do that, we're going to take our clip and we're going to drag it onto the main timeline. And I want to isolate the red in her shirt. So to do that, we'll make sure that this clip is selected. Then we're going to go over here to Adjustments, and we're going to click on HSL. And then what we want to do is basically remove the saturation from every color other than red. So let's click on orange, and let's take this down to 0. Click on yellow, take that all the way down, green, all the way down, blue all the way down, other blue all the way down. Same thing with purple, and then finally pink. And so now we'll click on red. We want to make it stand out a little bit more, so we're going to go saturation. We're going to increase this a little bit. Maybe it's right about there. And now you can see her shirt and her lipstick is highlighted. Maybe we'll go a little bit more. And then if we play this, it creates a pretty cool effect. That's becoming popular in many videos at the moment. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.